Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to design a logo on your phone using Canva. It's super easy to get started, even if you're a complete beginner. First, grab your phone and download the free Canva app from your device's app store. Once installed, you'll need to either create a new account or log in if you already have one. After that, simply use the search bar to look for logo templates, and you're ready for the next step. Now that you're in Canva, you'll find thousands of professional logo templates at your fingertips. Take your time to browse through the extensive collection and select one that catches your eye. Once you've made your choice, simply tap on it to open it in the editor. From there, you can effortlessly customize every aspect, from changing colors and fonts to adjusting graphic elements, making it uniquely yours in just a few taps. With your template customized, it's time to add your personal touch. Look for the plus icon, usually located at the bottom of your screen, to add new elements like text, various shapes, or even more icons. You can easily adjust their size, fine-tune their position, and even change their transparency. Remember, a great logo is often simple and clear, so aim for a design that is both memorable and impactful. You've done it, your amazing new logo is complete. To save your masterpiece, simply tap the download icon, typically found at the top right of your screen. For the best quality, especially for digital use, select a high-resolution file format like PNG. Once saved, you can easily share your professional new logo directly from the Canva app to your social media, email, or messaging platforms.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.